Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the name of a music or song played nearby you using Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as ambient music mode. On the first list you will see the developer website. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down below, and now here you will see releases. Just tap on this 2.3.1. Now scroll down and you will see here ambient music mode 2.3.1.apk. You need to download this apk file. So once the downloading is done, just tap on it, tap on install. So finally we have installed successfully. Now just click on done and just minimize this, and now just open the Play Store. And in the Play Store, just search for one application name as Shizuku. Just search this application and just tap on it. Just tap on install to install this application. So now just tap on open. Now before proceeding further, kindly connect your Android smartphone with your Wi-Fi internet connections. So right now you can see I have been connected with my home Wi-Fi internet connections. Below you can see your step-by-step guide. You can read the step-by-step guide or you can follow my video instructions. So just tap on this pairing and just tap on this notification option. Just allow this option. Just move back. Now just tap on this developer option, scroll down, and here you will see here wireless debugging. Right, just enable this option, tap on allow. Once again tap on this wireless debugging again, and now you will see here pair device with pairing code. Just tap on it and just note this Wi-Fi pairing code and just swipe down the notification toggle and just tap on this enter pairing code. So finally you can see you can start Shizuku service now. Just move back. Now here you can see start. Just tap on the start. So finally you can see on the above Shizuku is running. So our first task is completed. Now you can just minimize it. Now just open the ambient music mode. Just tap on allow all the time. Tap on this get started. Now tap on next. Now you can select your respective country here, or you can just keep it as automatic. Now just tap on the disable battery optimization, tap on allow. Now tap on close again, and now just scroll down below and here you can see lock screen. Just tap on it and just enable this option, and now tap on this install apps, tap on this ambient music mode, just enable this option, allow, just move back, and now here you will see here settings. Just tap on it and tap on this recognition period and just disable this adaptive recognition period. Just move back. Just scroll down below. Here you will see one option again, advanced. Just tap on it and just enable this use alternative encoding. Just enable this option. Just move back. Now your all settings are done. So now let me try to play our music on other devices. Tap on recognize. So finally you can see here it recognized the song which I have played just now, as you can see here. So by using this application named as ambient music mode, you can easily find out the name of a music or song played nearby you using Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.